Yeah, it's
So
so good.
exciting.
It's great having such direction, like, you know, s- specific to what I need to do. Yeah, it's wonderful because yeah, you just otherwise you're fluffing around, you know?
It's so funny because people just don't understand. I think that in an hour, like we've done three major things. We've mapped out an entire social media content plan to market the book, and the website's not ready, the email marketing platform's not set up, but we've mapped out a plan and a way to be able to launch to people, and
Yeah.
get them ready for the book,
Mm.
and your Facebook page at the same time. It's just, yeah, it's super awesome. I think people don't sometimes they just don't value experience.
That's right. That's right. It's so true. I have a saying, spend one day with an expert or 3 months in a library, you know? Hello?
It's a no-brainer. No-brainer.
Yeah, yeah. And it helps if you've had a good referral or you like I've met you through Nat's, master classes and things like that. So it's having that trust factor there as well. And but also it also comes down to you understanding what I need to do. So um, that's awesome. Yeah.
It's going to be so good. We're going to have, a well-presented professional profile that's consistent across all platforms.
Yeah.
And it's just going to make sense to you. It's going to make sense to your audience. It's going to be
Yeah.
easily digestible. You're going to have the confidence to effectively communicate it. Yeah, I'm so excited for the next stage.
Yeah. Yeah. Me too. Me too. Yeah.
All right, no worries.